Transportation and Ticket Center. And from there, we're just going to walk next door to the Polynesian. It's a very fast, easy way to do it.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
And we're at the Polynesian. And it used to be real easy to take the ferry ride and get off the ferry and just turn, and it was right there. Now, because of the construction, it's about a quarter mile out of the way walk to get right next door. So
I'm sure it'll be much better when it's all done.
yeah, but very, very interesting. Polynesian, and we went upstairs to Kona because we always love their coffee, and each got a large latte. I got vanilla and Gary got caramel. It was $12 and change for the 2 lattes, but it's a must for us on every trip. We kind of obsess on it. I love Kona coffee, but also you're picking up the atmosphere too, so it's nice to come over here and just kind of sit in the lounge and look around and watch the world go by for a minute. So it is boiling lava hot, so trying to even carry it was a challenge. So it's gonna have to wait a couple minutes. Well, we have had our Kona coffee, and we're gonna go ahead and grab the monorail and head back to Magic Kingdom, and then transfer over and head back for a nap. We're both pretty exhausted. So anyhow, we're off by monorail this time. And we're on the monorail. Heading up the Magic off of the monorail here at Magic Kingdom, and I think we're going to head back to the resort for a little bit of a nap, maybe 30-45 minute nap, and then head back out to do something this evening. We haven't quite decided exactly what we're doing this evening. Maybe going to Disney Springs? I don't know. We'll figure it out later.
Yeah. Good place to go. So
I think it would be.
a lot of fun things to do. Good place to eat over there.
We were at Magic Kingdom earlier today, but it was so slammed that unless the wait times are better, it's just not worth coming back this evening and doing 1 or 2 rides in an entire evening and fighting that crowd. So we'll check and see what the wait times are when we get ready to head back.
Yeah, make a decision to
We'll figure it out.